Well, I'm fucking stupid. Anyways, other ones. Thanks for saying it. I didn't notice it. Anyways, yeah, thanks. So, need to find out. How the fuck do I delete Android emulators from my system? I know I can just new the partitions, but that's not fun. DFAs. We have like 15 gigabytes left. I don't have much left. So, I wanna eat some stuff. Mm, let's go to sudo. Let's do sudo this or not. Yeah, let's see. Home is 28. Yes, 29, 30, 31, 50, 51, 55, 56, 58. That's so. Mm. Home shouldn't be this big. MNT, you can go fuck yourself. I'm interested in home, right? In general. Local. Yeah, local. Share. One prefixes. Steam. Kin live. Interesting. NVM, PNPM. Umu. Hmm. Random stuff. Nico. Yeah, blah, blah. This is we can ignore these. But one prefixes. Followed entry. Okay. Figure and so. Hmm. Wrong stuff. I can use some prefixes, but what about Steam? Oh, Steam apps. Oh, common. Oh. I sure want to cut to yes. I want to do it. I want to nuke some stuff from Steam. Hopefully, I can nuke some stuff from Steam. Hopefully. Um, set it to so it doesn't download that shit. Could I do something like that? I don't know. I don't know. Hmm. Updating Steam. Yeah, updating Steam. I'm gonna be fucking stuck on updating Steam. Fuck ass. Um, gonna crash out. Tracking packets. Yes. Do this. Fuck ass Steam. Little girl, don't lie to me. Tell me where did you sleep last night? In the pines where the sun never shines. I'll shiver the whole night through. Ba 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 ba. Just fucking open. Just fucking open. It's not that deep. Just fucking open. Steam, for the love of God, please open. Oh, is this motherfucker even running? Shit. Uh, oh, not you. You go anywhere else. You back. This pin. This is pinned now. And move to this part. That's nice. Yes. Look for details. No. Discounts, demos, and more. Yeah, I fucking know. But shut up. Hmm. Saying blah, blah, store preferences, library. Yeah, library. No. Xenophone. Okay, recent games. This is okay. Need to uninstall. Yes, uninstall. Steam, I don't want you to download shit automatically. Fuck ass bitch. Manage downloads. What's on hotfix? Okay. And schedule. Let's do properties. Let's do properties. Your compatibility. Okay, this is just the compatibility. This install blah 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 blah. Library. Let's do xenophils. Yeah, I'll uninstall. Uninstall. Yeah, uninstall all. No, recent games. Why the fuck is this stuff that I'm downloaded? Manage downloads. Mm. I'm fucking stupid. This is why I don't Steam sometimes. Downloads. Is it downloads? No, it's not downloads. I'm fucking stupid. Settings. Open download settings. Downloads. Download preview. Mm. Mm. Limit download speed. Display no. Display download rates and this per second. Yes. Game bit timing. Let Steam decide when to update. Nope. Only update at only. Schedule a lot of updates. No. Cloud downloads. Mm. Throttle downloads while streaming. Clear download cache. Okay, I'll go back. Clear download cache. Clear cache. No. Game file over local network. Shader, pre-cache, local stuff, storage. Ooh, yeah, these two files. Uninstall. Uninstall. Yo, Disha, what's good? What's good? How have you been? How have you been? Cloud and game and Muslim Cloud game compatibility. None. Can I set it to none? Fuck ass guns. Accessibility, high contrast mode. What's this look like? Looks good. Reduce motion, that's also good. Controller library. Yeah, so I should for the love of God. DFH. Like yeah, 16 gigs. I got a gig freed up. Life's good. That's nice. It's extremely nice. Now let's close this motherfucker. I don't think I should have xenophil stuff, right? No, I don't. That's good. That is good. Now, I love watching Electroboom. Electroboom heated seat on YouTube. What? Electroboom heated seat? Fuck that. The fuck does that even mean? Anyways, let's go to. Yo, the Ran guy, what's good? What's good? I'll leave that for now. Let's see. Let's go to OPT. So cd OPT sudo is not. I think D shell likes a bit. D shell is a bit kingy. That's not now. Okay, who am I to judge? Anyways, Android SDK system layers. Okay, system layers might be that. How do I delete? How do we're working with Android or what? Oh, not really. I just wanna remove unneeded stuff that I have. How do I delete Android emulator? What do you have Android as well? And okay, okay, I don't think I have Android as well. Anyways, I did use like emulators, right? Android SDK. Yeah, I do have the SDK stuff. SDK bullshit. How do I delete Android emulator from emulators? So developing that plan 9. Android Studio Simulator, yes. Yes. DVD, create a folder, delete the folder, and restart. Fuck off. I know I can delete folders, but that's not what I want, do I? No, resources, game, relating to licenses, system images. Yeah, I don't know if I want to do that. Yeah, Plan 9. My DualSense runs on Arch Linux. Plan 9, what the fuck, SDY was that being mentioned? Probably something to do with that. No, Plan 9. Oh, since it contains the word emulators, that's why. Windows expressions too. What was the command that I fucking used though? RG. mm, RG. And it's gonna be. No, 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 no. Android. No. Something. And file sort unit. Android SDK emulator. SDK manager. Oh, SDK manager. Yes, I think that was it. SDK manager. It's installed. Yes. Now SDK manager. Hello. SDK manager. Let's install. Uninstall. Oh, SDK manager. Uninstall. Can I install everything? Let's install. Let's install. Yeah. Oh fuck me up. To uninstall. Okay. Fucking hell. Okay. Emulator. Platform tools. System images. What fuck no. Fine. Let's uh, system images. Just copy that. Uh, Copy this. So you get Play Store something like this. Honestly, don't fucking know. Oh, I'm fucking stupid. I don't need to do this. I'm fucking stupid. x86. This should be the name. Uninstall. Okay, SDK manager. Let's install. Nothing is installed. Okay, so it should clean up a few gigs, if I'm correct. Now, the previous one it showed 16 gigabytes free. Now 19 gigabytes free. Yes, we need to free up more if we can. Container stuff. Libre, Libre software, SDK, OpenJDK stuff. Rustlang, Rustlang. Okay. Root stuff. Don't want to get into that. Yeah, Master Human. Why are you playing gigs for, and how much do you even have? I have like in my root partition. Uh, I have like 100 gigs or something. Yeah. So my root partition size is like 109 gigs. Already 85 gigs is used. So yeah, I'm trying to clean up stuff a bit. Uh, I could clean up some stuff in documents. Okay, CD. Now go to home. Okay, just CD this. Yeah. And now Android. I deleted cache to clean cache cargo. What are we gonna even do that is that last years? We're not gonna do anything, but it's best to clean up from time to time because sometimes I do large updates and large testing stuff, and that needs a bit of free stuff for the keep caches and shit. So yeah, it's best to like I try to have a bit of free size, right? Tron CMA config. Yeah, give me PC, libre, local, what the fuck is going on again? I forgot. I'm gonna take it later. Mozilla stuff, PKI stuff, friend pie. I'm gonna pick that, SSH, Steam. Someone's taking a fuck ton of stuff. Fuck ton of size. TOS, TMUX, code. Let's talk. Documents, downloads. Okay, yeah, I should clean up downloads. So general, will you test out Windows 12 when it's out? I would like installing Windows 12 for testing. Okay, I would rather I would rather off myself with a fucking water gun. I would rather jump in boiling water and yeah, I would rather do that than trying out Windows. Fucking sucks. Even the fucking installation process sucks. Like I hate Windows so damn much. Like currently, my like my family also uses my computer, but I haven't fixed it yet. Like the Windows stuff got deleted, and I haven't fixed it yet. Right? God, it was like fucking months ago. I still haven't touched it because the Windows installation process. I never have seen so much irritating process as much as this. It's absolute fucking dog shit. It's good to clean up pictures. Yeah, I should clean up that. Music though, Soulsic. I don't have anything in Soulsic and everything is there. Downloads. Should clean up downloads. Yeah, shouldn't do a lot of stuff. Anyways, DFH. We'll clean up like 24 available. Now in my server DFH, I have 22. Hmm. Eh. Eh. Mm. Mm. Might ask my friend to please decide a bit, but we will see. Maybe delete some corn videos. Fuck off. Never ask a brain out kid to stop yapping about Tung Tung Sahur shitting in a toilet every. Yeah, very depressing. It's kind of like. I don't know if you're brain rotted, but if you are, then I ask you to stop talking about Tung Tung Sahur shitting in a toilet. Anyways, anyways, GitHub.com in general. What is Tung Tung Sahur? This person is too damn fucking innocent. Too damn fucking innocent. This person is too damn fucking innocent. Never mind. You're too good for this world. You're too good for this world. You might be the only few people that the brain hasn't been brought in yet. Get.com and land into this. And we live our own get free falls, yes. What a hit list. It's a hit list. Listen, when I did the guy, it's not a hit list, okay? It's not a hit list in the sense of hit list. When I made the goddamn project, I thought it sounded cool, right? And yeah, it was kind of stupid. But I don't want to change it right now. So yeah, I should have done more like a to-do list or been a bit more good with the name, but I just went with hit list because yeah, I know, yeah, a lot of people has talked about why is it called a hit list. Bro made an eternal mistake, true. And this is like explain the stuff. A hit list generator for board contributors who want to see which packets are probably outdated. Why the fuck? Oh, I need to, yeah, do this. Now I can fucking zoom. Now, in general, right? Okay, 10 XSD, that needs a PR. Depends on other PR. Tombi, could update that. We will see. Proton RS, depends on another PR. I don't know. Okay, Proton RS depends on a fucking bug report. I think, uh, Chawan was also, Chawan needed to be updated. Yeah, I could ask my friend that want to contribute to Gentoo and be like, yo, do you wanna work on a package of mine? And get some, to how to bump and shit. I could do that. Hmm. Fortunately, some of my cousins have been diagnosed with brain rot. I'm very unhappy about it. Eh, listen, fam, everyone, like Gen Alpha, Gen Z, we all have fucking brain rot nowadays. I just fucking realized something. It's fucking 2026. Gen Alpha kids are like 16 years old. Damn, I'm fucking old. I'm fucking old. I'm fucking cooked. I have a girlfriend's birthday is like next month. Mine's like yeah. Mm. Mm. The Twitch chat brainer on YouTube. General watch Electroboom. Yeah, I do know about Electroboom. Who doesn't know about Electroboom? Everyone fucking knows about Electroboom. Which year do you consider a kiddo Gen Alpha even? I mean, isn't Gen Alpha like after 2010? 20, like, oh, I thought it was like after 2010. I think it started after 2010. I ain't calling kids born after 2010 Gen Z. Like 2010 to 2013, I ain't fucking calling them Gen Z. Fuck those. Like the last, I would fucking say, last time you got your chance of being Gen Z, of being in our generation, was at 2010. If you if you fucking was born after that year, fuck you. Oh, I was born in the end of 20. No way, I have Gen Alpha kids in my chat. Holy shit, I'm unk. Officially unk. Officially unk. Fam, are you even old? Are you even old enough to use YouTube? Are you even old enough to? Yo, you should go to bed. What's your fucking bedtime? What's your fucking bedtime? And I'm an early, don't worry, I'm not brain farted. You, all of you motherfuckers, go the fuck to bed. What's your fucking bedtime? What's the time there? 2 a.m. Way past your bedtime. Go the fuck to sleep. Go the fuck to sleep. Go the fuck to sleep. At 13-year-olds, I was fucking thinking about bullshit ass stuff. Not watching a stream. I'm not a normal child, don't worry. No shit, Sherlock. I can see that. I can see that. I can fucking see that. Holy shit, I have to. Anyways, the Ranga is German. D-Shell, I think, are you Indian? Or Pakistani? Your audience is full of chiller? Listen, that doesn't sound good. That doesn't fucking sound good. That sounds like fucked up, fam. Don't say that. Okay, D-Shell is Turkish. The Ranga is German. I'm fucking Bangladeshi. Oh, weren't you German? I think you just finished doing my stream, lol. Came as fast as I saw you. Yo, Cozy Quest TC. What's good? What's good? What's good? Is this your first time being on stream? If that is, then welcome to the stream. Anyways, I was just fucking around with chat mostly. And I'm Pakistan. Yo, let's go! Let's fucking go! Finally! Some of my own people. I'm not Pakistani, I'm Bangladeshi, but yes, finally some brown people in chat. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Anyways. Kutal Express. This isn't my first time. Previously I went by Quantum. Oh! Yeah, I think I remember that username. Yeah, I think I remember that username. I'm not interested in Linux. I'm not interested in robotics projects. I don't care about the operating system as long as it opens up Arduino ID. Fair. 100% fair. Twist. Nico addresses. Side effects and function make the source code harder to reason about. What? That was random. Are you in the wrong stream? I don't know. I was just fucking around with chat and mostly doing. I'm not that much of a good programmer, and I don't do functional programming because fuck functional programming. It like goes like way above my fucking head. I'm traumatized by every Linux distro known to. Just kidding, but the main ones, including Arch and KD. KD Trauma. No, KD Trauma sounds like a cyberpunk corporal. The Trauma team. KD Trauma. Are you traumatized by Peppermint OS? I think I've heard about it. To be honest, I only installed Gentoo once. Then I bent my USB totally by accident. Now I'm on Arch. How do you exactly? That's what I was gonna say. How do you bend a goddamn motherfucking USB? Like you could break a USB, but bending it? Are you in the fucking Matrix? Functional program is just programming, but with more math. True. And I suck at math. Like I can't understand you breaking a USB. That could happen. I can understand you frying a fucking USB, like electrocuting it. That could fucking happen. I can understand you melting a fucking USB from heat or like from fire. I can understand that. But bending a goddamn motherfucking USB? Did you like apply heat slowly and bend it slowly? How do you do that? If we tell that I broke Atari in half, bending USB doesn't sound interesting anymore. Oh, yeah. Okay, now I remember you're the. Oh wait, okay. So, haha, I had it in a flexible covering, so I bent the circuit board. Got I don't think I have ever seen a USB with a flexible covering. I mean, I have seen like USB cords that those are flexible. USB cords are flexible, but not a pen drive or something like that. And screwed and the screen fell out. I only had to apply a force that almost broke the Atari. Listen, Dishal, you're like fully different, right? You have like a really bad case of luck. So yeah. And bend it back to shape. And bend a USB port. A USB port. You know, a USB port or like a USB. Because the goddamn USB fucking ports in my PC are fucking made of steel. You bend the port. Oh, the shield. Oh, just the shield. I thought like you actually bent like a actual port, like inside the port, like everything, like bent it out. But that's gonna be complicated and just the shield. Okay, that kind of makes sense. That was a unique one. My other one had failure after installing my Linuxes for 5 years. Damn, you have been using Linux for a while then. I've been only into tech stuff for like what, 2-3-ish years or something. I don't know. Kind of like that 3-ish years, I would say. What's the X source set? I should actually include the stuff from source set. I've gone to DC motor. How do I do that? Okay, I need to learn about GraphQL. But then again, I fucking hate GraphQL. And I don't want to go through that again. So, well, fuck me. I tried Linux Mint, Ubuntu, Arch, Gentoo, fucking old versions of Ubuntu, Debian, OpenSUSE, and Fedora. And the stream is tweaking. What do you mean? Like, is the audio getting fucked up, or like, is it laggy, or like what? Is it the audio or is it the video? I got into Linux when I got into tech during COVID. Windows was just a mess. You need to install all 8 to 9 gigs of stuff just to get working with C if you went the official way. Oh, and GraphQL sucked. Yeah. Stream is fun. What do you mean? Yeah, it could be just, yo, Filthy Pit Dog. What's good? Bro's gonna dox my face on Gentoo Discord. I'm just messing around. But yeah, don't send my face on Gentoo Discord, even though it's public. Anyways, what's up, bro? Yeah, I'm doing okay-ish. I started streaming like a while ago, like around 2 hours ago. Then I streamed for a while. Then I had a fucking panic attack. Then I stopped the stream. Didn't stream for like an hour. And now I'm back and I'm feeling better. And yeah, day has been like it's been going well. I met someone and we are, yeah. Anyways, we're getting closer and goddamn. Anyways, I'd rather stop talking about her before I start grinning and shit. But yeah, source hut. I hope shit works out with me and her. I truly hope that. Sourcehut.com is for sale. The fuck do you mean it's for sale? Lease to own. Buy now. 3K? 3.5K. Huh. Buddy, the general lord defense. Okay, listen. Stop. Anyways, sr.ht. Was it sr.ht? Yeah, it's sr.ht. Fuck. GoDaddy, XD, but now. Trophy yellow smiling. Oh, good to hear, man. Mental health is always on top priority for me personally. Yeah, it was never a top priority for me. Like, until now. Like, it's still not a top priority per se, but I'm trying to be better. I'm trying to improve as a person. I'm trying to, stream and grind and shit. Yeah. I truly hope that I can be enough for her. I truly hope that. Buy the domain then after that. I'm not gonna do that. I don't have 3K. Listen, I don't have 3K. If people want me to buy this domain, send me 3.4K and I will buy it. And I will 100% buy it. I should start a GoFundMe and say, nothing interesting, but since I'm too scared to tell you, I'll pass it to you. There's no guarantee of authenticity. Do you know about the game? Did you know about that GameCube uses the graphics card instead of a video in startup? Huh? What do you mean uses graphics card instead of a video? I'm sorry, what? I'm sorry, what? Anyways, hold up, you folks hang around for like 1 minute. Let me just log into SourceSet, right? Log into SourceSet, get my fucking 2FA, and I'm logged in, and let's see, I'm back. Now, you mean I can't hold my ass to hold, huh? Huh? You see, this is why I should kick out Gen Alpha people from my chat. Nah, fam, you kids are too damn. Are you kids on drugs or something? Are you kids on drugs? Jesus, fam. View the documentation. Yes, source hat. View the documentation. View the documentation. Read the tutorials. Read the tutorials. General documentation. Getting help. Developers and admin. Read boring stuff. Where's the fucking API? Get hosting API reference? API reference? Why is the domain like 3K? Because its source side is like a popular source side is already popular, so they're doing like I think GoDaddy or the person that like the corporation that owns the domain is holding the domain hostage, and yeah, I think that's what they're trying to do. So which programming language do you know? Do you know now? I'm assuming C or C++, perhaps maybe a bit assembly, and here Python or JS, maybe Java 2. Nothing actually. Nada. I learned Python. I don't use Python anymore. I forgot half of it, 99% of it. I fucking hate Python. I don't touch Python. Lua, yes, I absolutely love Lua. Now C. I was trying to learn C. However, when I got into pointers, I got a bit burned out because I was grinding like every day, and yeah, so that happened. Then after that, I also tried to learn Rust, but also got burned. I also had like have other shit to do all at the same time, but yeah. So, on a day-to-day basis, I just use shell scripts and Lua. Because yeah, I abuse shell scripts. I really wanna learn Rust though, and make actual projects and shit. And yeah, I wanna learn Rust, then Go and Godot. Godot mostly because of my girl is like game dev and shit, but so yeah, wanna learn Godot from her for her. But anyways, should I unlock blocky? Should I mostly sharpen how to batch? Should I a Windows? No, she C sharp. Nah, Windows people. And GraphQL playground. I think I want that. API convention stocks. It's these two. You see, I need to find out what's the fucking releases. The goddamn motherfucking releases. So what I'll do is Shawan go there? Go there. Yes. Why do I have a okay, it's for coronavirus. We can ignore that for now. Well, it's fun. The table paradigm is a thing that I don't like, and for us it has a massive learning curve. I really like the table paradigm though. You want arrays table, you want dictionaries table, you want that, you want hash map table, you want this table, this table, this table. You want to implement a goddamn switch case, use tables. You want to do this, tables. You want to do this, tables. It's easy. It's easy, it's stupid, it's simple, and it just works. Let's do metadata.xml. Yes. SRC. This one. What is Lua? So Lua is just a programming language. And that's about it. The Roblox programming language. It's not just on Roblox. NEOVIM uses Lua. Yazi uses NEOVIM uses Lua plugins. Yazi supports Lua plugins. Table is something that messes with my head because how the hell people achieving object-oriented programming with it. Log current face. I don't do OOP that much, so I wouldn't be able to say. Sources, main list, tickets. Little girl, don't lie to me. Tell me when did you sleep last night? The let's change the. What the fuck do I? Huh? This is a query. When you sing, what do you mean? I just sing sometimes. And graphing. Anyway, so get SRC. So where the fuck is the motherfucking? Where the fuck is the motherfucking? Oh, fetch info about the authenticated user. I need to fetch info about a goddamn. Let it go, don't lie. Where did you sleep last night? Articles. I'm gonna. Another easy way to GraphQL command is the CLI for source. Performing GraphQL queries. Oh, GraphQL query. Blah blah. Query version major amount of patch. Query version query complexity. Query blah blah. Where the can you show me an example, please? Just show me an example on how to get some text. I really wanna have that. I don't wanna write a long ass GraphQL queries. I really don't wanna do that. What is 69? 6767. Oh, it should be 69 minus 2. Shit. Shit. I didn't even actually did the math. It should be 6. No. No. I have been bamboozled. I have been betrayed. I have been fucking bamboozled. Wolfman web standards on random libraries. Do you fell to my trap? Yes. Oh, is that Happyland right? And 6, 7. You listen. Listen. Yeah, this is Happyland. This is Happyland. I just want examples. I wanna read GraphQL. I wanna cry. I wanna cry. Get webhook. Returns a list of get webhooks. Subscription by its ID. Me, authenticated user. Returns user, example query. Me, don't want that. We're just gonna trace it from full documentation. Repositories, return repositories that the authenticated user has access to. Look up a repository based on resource ID, RID. What's the goddamn RID? Give me an RID, please. Please show proper examples. Show proper examples. You need to show proper examples instead of. I'm gonna cry. This is why I didn't implement it. This is why I didn't implement it when I was fucking your views on KD and GNOME. Haven't used either, so can't say. Positive traders by path. User webhook, not mine, not what I need. Version, webhook, mutations. What the fuck? Okay, quick. This type, ACL, artifact. This that, this and that, this and that. Repository, but it's a type. So directive access. General's first moment of trying on stream. No, I haven't. I have tried on stream before, but that was actual fucking crying. This is me just moaning, not moaning, not moaning in a sexual way. Just crying, just suffering. Wait, so bro followed the hype train into Gentoo and Hyperland. So that's if so, that's pure dedication. No, okay. You know what? I explained this in stream like so many times. I should actually make this a formal content so I can actually clip that and also upload it. Anyways. Okay, so this is how I got into Hyperland. And okay, never mind. Forget that. Not gonna accept that. Anyways, so this is how I got into Linux and everything, right? So I used to be a way different person back then. Like 4 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago, a totally fucking different person. I hang around with a bunch of people that I shouldn't have. I did stuff that I shouldn't have. And yeah, life was like fully shit. But then I I was a gamer, and the only thing that kept my sanity and my humanity was games. And I absolutely love Skyrim, right? Skyrim, the Elder Scrolls, the Fallout games, yeah, I absolutely fucking love that. So one day I was playing Skyrim like usual, and I was thinking, you know what? I should create Skyrim mods, right? I should create Skyrim mods. And then I got into the creation kit. So I started fucking around with Skyrim's creation kit and all that. And then I was like, you know what? If I'm messing around with creation kit, I would need to learn 3D. So let me learn 3D. And the thing with me is I have fucking ADHD. Now, when I started to learn 3D, I started doing Blender. And that was still back in my Windows days, right? I didn't do that much tech stuff. So I started doing Blender, and then I met a group called Sheepit. And after I met a group called Sheepit, so Sheepit is basically a group of people, and they render each other's projects, right? And that's for free. It's like a open sources community, and it's like really great. It's one of the greatest communities that I have ever been in. And I'm not in the I'm like, even though I'm in the Discord server still, I don't interact much. It has been like fucking years since I've interacted, but yeah, I still fucking love them. And yeah, so in Sheepit, you had a rule that you can't upload files bigger than a specific file size, right? So, but you could split your projects up. So I did that. So I was doing that, and then suddenly I thought, you know what? The whole thing could be automated. And I knew about automation since, gamer and all that, and always I wanted to get the most amount of XPs with the least amount of grinding. And yeah. So what I then did was learn automation. So I was thinking, you know what, I should start fucking around, and then I started fucking around with, that was the boom of AI, right? The boom of ChatGPT and everything. So I was like, yeah, let me write a script. So I wrote a Python script to, split up my stuff. And then one person called Bugs like said shit to me. And they were like, you're not gonna do shit, right? And I was like, what the fuck are we talking about? And they were like, yeah, why the fuck are you using a fucking clanker? Why the fuck are you using it? You need to learn shit. Like debugging for 10 hours ain't gonna do shit. You need to write your shit for 2 hours and debug stuff for 4 hours. That's better. Don't use clankers. And then I was like, you know what? I think they're right. I think I should learn instead of just chasing the end goal. And then I started learning about Python. So I was like, you know what? What's the best thing? What's the best way I can learn about Python? So I started checking, and I thought, yes, I can take this YouTube course, I can take that YouTube course, but Harvard is actually they have a Python course, and it's called CS50P. And I was thinking, you know what? I should actually take that. So I started taking that. And then when I started taking that course, I was like, you know what? This programming stuff feels really good. And then I learned about regex. And then I was like, okay, this programming stuff is real fucking good, because I fucking like the moment that I fell in love with regex, I think was the moment that I realized that, okay, I need to change my life and focus on this, because this is way fucking better than what the shit that I have been doing my whole fucking life, right? So after that, I started working on CSVP. I completed the course. It was really great. And then, in the meantime, I'm discovering someone called Primogen, because since I'm programming and shit, I'm also watching programming videos and stuff in the meantime while I'm free. So I started to heard about a guy called the Primogen, and I started seeing him using something called a terminal, and then I started seeing him using something called NEOVIM, and everything is text based, and you just use the keyboard, right? And I was like, this is exactly what I need. Like, no joke, because when I was programming, I was switching my hand, typing keys, arrow, typing keys, arrows, typing here, arrow, the mouse, typing keys, arrows, the mouse, typing here, arrows, and I was doing all this. I was doing this for like 8-9 hours, just this, and my shoulder, my arm, my wrist, it's starting like swelling. This much, like I was going through that much pain, right? And then I thought, yeah, resting my hand at just one place and just typing would be so much fucking better. And then I started using NEOVIM in Windows. I haven't used Linux yet, though, by the way. So I started fucking around with NEOVIM. I started fucking around with Lua. And I was like, okay, Lua is way fucking better. Lua is way better than Python. I started using that. I'm still in Windows, by the way. I'm still in fucking Windows. I'm not that much into Linux. I have heard about it when I was doing tech stuff, but I thought, I'm gonna stay in Windows. Then I started seeing videos about Linux, and I was seeing that, I was trying to integrate existing tools that other people was using, but I was trying to do that in Windows, and I would still say that I still have I would have one of the best Windows terminal ecosystem that has like ever been like configured, right? So even then, I still was facing issues like compiling stuff. You need to download MSVC bullshit. You need to do this. You need to do that. You need to do this. You need to do that. And I was like, yeah, people are using Linux, and it seems like really easier to do the stuff that I'm trying to do in Linux. And because I don't want to keep chasing tech, and chasing tech also meant that I kept my mind busy with stuff, and I had a lot of shit with my mind. I have a lot of shit on my mind. A lot of motherfucking shit on my mind, and it was fucking horrible. But when I kept busy with tech stuff, I got distracted, right? And in a good way. So it was distracting me from all that shit that was happening around me and also in my head. So then I started thinking, yeah, you know what? I should switch to Linux. And then I started thinking, what should I start with? Well, if I'm gonna start with Linux anyway, I might as well pick the most complicated bullshit that it will ever be, and the most complicated bullshit that will actually teach me shit. So then I started to learn about the three: Arch Linux, Gentoo, LFS, Linux from scratch. So at first I was like, okay, I'm not gonna do Linux from scratch because I haven't used Linux yet. I may use Gentoo, but I'm not gonna do that now. So that was like before, right? So I was like, I'm not gonna do that now because it seems I need to compile stuff from source and stuff. I could compile. There are binaries, but I probably would want to compile stuff from source. But I also want to learn a bit more about how programs work, about the package manager, and all that. So not Gentoo. So the last thing that was left was Arch. And my internet situation was like truly fucking shit back then, right? Like currently, my friend from a friend of mine from Patreon is like actually providing me with money so that I can actually pay my fucking bills. But yeah, I didn't have a phone. I didn't have anything. I remember going to the Arch wiki, taking a fucking notebook, a fucking pencil, and writing stuff down. Like, yeah, this is this. Okay, I need to do this command. Okay, I need to do that command. I need to do this command. So I wrote down the whole fucking Arch installation process. A fucking notebook. I didn't know about installation guide command. I actually didn't know about installation guide command, right? Because I haven't interacted with Linux yet. I'm just in the fucking wiki. So I researched about Arch, and after I've written down everything in the notebook, then I was like, okay, it's time. It's time. I got in the store, brought a pack of cigarettes, came back home. It was night. Started smoking a cigarette. I started and booted up Linux ISO. My first time interacting with Linux is in the Arch ISO. It took me 12-ish hours to have that in my... Yeah, it took me like 12-ish hours. I don't know nothing about coding. I don't know why in my feed. I guess you can sit back and enjoy the story that I'm talking about. Anyways, so where was I? I was in my... I was in the Arch ISO, right? So then I was like, okay. So I installed Arch. 12 fucking hours. Got the base system running. I started learning. Fucking around. Messing shit up. Fixing it back. Doing shit. And yeah. Then I started learning about shell scripts. Started using them more. Then I thought, okay, I think I'm prepared enough for Gentoo. I got into Gentoo. Installed Gentoo. It was pretty damn good. However, it took too much compiling sometimes. Then I was like, I've been hearing about this. I have been hearing about this thing called Nix. It's a package manager, but it's also Nix OS. So I should get into that. So then I was like, okay, Nix OS, the execution sounds horrible, but I would like to understand the philosophy of Nix. So then I left Gentoo, got into Nix OS, suffered for 4 months, like 3-4 months, right? But kind of learned the philosophy, and then went back to Arch, created a config file, like created a whole ass setup system that's declarative, configs the packages, everything is declarative. Did that, went back to Gentoo. My friend lended me a server, set up bin hosts, and yeah, that's the story of my life for now, I guess. But holy shit, I need to fucking clip that. and put that on. Yeah, I'm gonna reply to people since I was telling a story that and I didn't wanna, you know, click too much stuff. So yeah, okay, hold up. I will reply to you back, by the way. What it's you, I will reply to you back. Just hold on for 2 minutes, right? This stuff should be second stream. Story of my life. Next. I'm on TV. How are you on TV? Anyways, July 26th, second stream. One. Let's do. Yeah, one looks okay. Okay, now, what should I do, fam? Okay, I'm sorry. Let me read the chats now. YouTube.com, YouTube Live Dashboard. I just want it down, so down. I've heard about Buddha Death, but I don't know that. I have heard about it, but I don't know how I feel about Buddha Death, to be honest. Yo, Apollo Vision, what's good? What's good? By the way, hold up. Let me read what you said. Close the show, booted. Blah blah blah. I know nothing about coding environment feed. Maybe because I'm in my fourth year engineering CS, I don't even know Python. I'm cooked. You're in your fourth year and you don't know Python? What the Check it out then, mate. Hello. Yo, Apollo Vision, what's good? And yeah, I would say to just do shit. I listen. I didn't get into tech by academical studies, right? So I wouldn't be able to give you any fucking advice if it comes to academical shit. However, if you do want to get into Linux, I would say just start with Arch. If you just need patience, a bit of time, and yeah, a bit of patience, a bit of time, and that's about it. You can easily ace that shit. Paul Vision, I'm chilling. Allergies kicking my ass. Damn, what allergies? I got in tech because of a fucking Android tablet. Damn. And I got into tech because of I wanted Skyrim mods. Wanted to create Skyrim NSFW mods. Is it Skyrim? Mold or pollen or whatever. Ah, damn, that sucks. Where are you from, Apollo Vision? Apollo Vision. Oh, Apollo Vision. I was reading that as Apollo, you know, the uh rocket and shit. Yeah, I was reading that as that. Hold up, let me. I'm from Missouri. Nice. So let me cry now about fucking GraphQL. I'm gonna lose my shit. Oh god. I could use a clanker, but should I use a clanker? I don't know. I don't want to use a clanker. But then again, fuck ass bullshit. Is it not in the Oh, this. Can you critique my website real quick? I've been spending on a bunch of time working on it. Sure, I could do that. I'm not a web designer, so I wouldn't be able to critique as much as good like other people. But sure, I can like do that as like aesthetically pleasing or something. I don't know. Yeah, I could surely do that. But here's the thing though, if you drop the link in here, it's not gonna work. YouTube auto blocks links. I have tried my best to not make YouTube auto mod fuck up the chat. It still fucking does that. I tried my fucking best. You could, like, a Polyvision, are you in the Discord server? You could hop in the Discord and just drop the link in general chat. And yeah. Yo. You know, I'm having this urge to jump into Gentoo. You could. You could. Does it work? Discord. I haven't set up bots yet, sadly. I haven't set up bot yet. It's the link. Yeah, it's linked to my bio. I think you can find it on my bio. I hope you can find it on my bio. I think. Hold up. If I remember correctly, it's in my bio at the Discord server. Or you can just, like, if you don't want to join the Discord, you can also just hop into Twitch or Kick and drop the link in there, because their auto mods actually don't block links. No, I'm the random. I'm not talking about like you getting giving links. I'm talking about a Polyvision having to go through the Discord server and then giving me links. So if they don't want to do that, they can also just, you know, send stuff in either Twitch or Kick. But yeah, let's cry about GraphQL. let's check if let's API documentation. Copy sense, email, YouTube censorship email less me, passive preferences, subscriptions, user webhook. How the fuck do I? Okay, I'm in. Nice. Just drop the link in chat, general chat, and I would get it. Don't DM me, since I don't have Discord open. I have RC and Matrix bridges set up. So if you drop the link, I would just see it from here. No, not in self promo, for the love of God. Drop the link in general chat. In general chat. The general chat. Don't drop the link in self promo. Yes, in general. I'm using an RC client, and the way you would like, and you like, the way I would get it is my Discord. Okay. Gateway corporate. Okay. It's fine. By the way, I told them to do this on stream, so I can check out their website. Anyways, I'm gonna give an honest review, by the way, so don't expect me. Intelligent system and strategic AI. Okay, fuck this. Listen, I'm not a client person. I'm not a client person. Decline. It's slow as fuck though. Holy shit. Holy shit. Yeah. Okay. This is slow as fuck. What's the F12 network? My RAM and CPU is like hitting 56 fucking kilobytes. This is probably because your PC probably sucks. I can load other applications fine. And your 27 fucking megabytes. And you're saying my PC probably sucks. 27 fucking megabytes. And you're saying my PC probably sucks. Okay. Okay. Listen, you told me to give intelligence systems for ZK. Okay, build a decision advance that survives real world operation. Blah blah blah. Everyone fucking says that. Service tracks from intelligent governance assurance. Okay, latest product offerings. Blah blah. Hyperlocal. CRM, SMS automation, governed AI actions. Yeah. National CRM decision and service leadership. Why does National CRM has like a chess pawn? How build and why it matters. The track 198 photo, blah, blah. This is just your average. Yeah. Or industrial lab tricks, please read my paper. Huh? With the good guys, Planter is intentionally vague with their messaging, so it's not a wonder that misunderstood. Mission statement, Gateway Corporate, leadership team, Sam Rooks, Stephen Prizzo, founder and CEO. Stephen Prizzo owns product experience. Jonathan Waiting mentioned business expert. Contact us. I'm not gonna do that. AI operations, digital expense advisory. Not for me. Not for me. Kislop, never mind. I'm clipping that. It's content. Free content for me, baby. Yeah, it's like total fucking Kislop. Don't really care about that. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, Kislop. Website. You asked for a review. You asked for a review. Listen, you are gonna get a review. I don't do those types of stuff. You ask for a review, you're gonna get hated on if you use clankers on a website like this that has like a 27 fucking something megabyte and is like for AI slop, made by AI slop, and you're telling me that my PC sucks. Okay, fam, okay. 115 free fucking content for me. I guess you're also gonna get some advertisement out of me. But free, yeah, still free fucking content for me. This is lag on my PC. You're literally saying that? You're literally saying that. This works on my machine. You're literally saying that. Okay, let's I don't even know if I wanna do stuff. YouTube, listen, YouTube.com, right? This is why, yeah, no shit, your luck. YouTube. Loads fine. Works fine. Doesn't lag. I'm also streaming, by the way. Everything. And this is like new, yeah. Source art. Works fine. Let's go to my Grafana internal.dev. Let's go to my Alkane. I could go to Alkane. Bro, YouTube takes forever to load though. Mine is like an instant. That's for different reasons. That's for different reasons because I have ad blockers and sponsor blocks and that stuff shit. But yeah, everything loads fucking fine. There's a difference between loading. Listen, if you don't know what I'm trying to say, don't even ask people for reviews, fam. There's a difference between loading and the website being laggy as fuck. And on top of that, I do wonder. Hold up, I do wonder. YouTube.com, right? How much would be that? How much would be that? Hold up. Hold up. YouTube.com. Yeah. a bit of small files, right? Okay, it's like 152, and it's the motherfucking YouTube, right? The motherfucking YouTube. On your stuff, it was like 26 fucking megabytes. I just think that you're blowing certain things out of proportion, and I just think that you thought that I would just give a good review, and you're just mad that I fucking shit talked it on stream. You did set a streamer to ask for a review, and listen, I did tell you, if you don't want critiques and hate, don't tell people in public to review your shit. If you don't want the heat, if you can't handle the heat, why are you asking for people to review the shit? Because it is total dog shit. Holy shit, I'm gonna make so much fucking content out of this. I'm clipping every fucking argument. It's counted for me. It's counted for me, baby. I'm fixing the OBJ file to be cached anyway, but yeah. Okay, I do wanna ask something though. How much AI did you use for that website? How many, I shouldn't say how much AIs, rather, I should ask how much, what clankers, how many clankers did you use for this website? Because it seems to me that it might be not really taking your critiques other than large file bad seriously, because you didn't even read the text. I saw the website. I read the text. It was clanker slop. Did I not say that it was clanker slop? Oh, you know what? I would go to that shit again. I'm doing a whole ass review. No shit. Build a decision advantage. It survives real operation. Gateway Corporate helps organizations design, deploy, and govern intelligent software, AI operation pipelines, and simulation backend planning systems so they can build a decision advantage that survives real operations. Slop. Just slop. Right? Exactly. 3 core products. This Devicer, Hyperlocal 2, and Ashwin CRM. 6 service tracks, from intelligence tooling to governance assurance. Production focus, architected for reliability control and scale. Slop. You're taking fucking keywords, you're putting the goddamn keywords, you're mashing them together, you're pushing them. Explore services, explore products, start a conversation. What we build and why it matters. Okay, what we build and why it matters. We partner with operators who cannot afford fragile systems, our blah blah blah, combine software and engineering, domain intelligence, our governance design, so teams can execute with confidence under real uncertainty, signals, intelligence systems. Convert fragmental technical signals to explainable trust and risk decisions. Convert fragmented technical signals to explainable trust and what the fuck what genuinely did you even read what the clanker pasted? Did you even proof check the clanker? Holy shit. Reading with an incredulous tone doesn't make the text incorrect in any way. No shit, the text isn't incorrect because the text doesn't make any fucking sense. A line can't be incorrect if it doesn't make any fucking sense. Convert fragmented technical signals to explainable trust and risk decisions. Technical signals? Fragmented technical signals? Huh? Understand, therefore bad. Okay, so tell me, what does that mean? What does that mean? Convert fragmented technical signals to explainable trust and risk decisions. What does that mean? I want you to explain that to me in chat. One, do not expect you to understand. You see, you're dodging the questions. You can't even answer. You can't even answer that. You can't even fucking answer that. Move the model experiments to governed, measurable automation production. Okay, automation stuff. Evaluate high impact decisions before committing capital repetition or execution bandwidth. Digital twins, blah blah. Latest product offerings. Our product stack is designed to work independently or as a unified operating layer across trust, communication, strategic planning. Strategic plan, doesn't every fucking service do that? Compare products and deployment paths. You know what? Let's check that out. Let's check that out. Product portfolio, FP Devicer, Hyperlocal 2, National CRM, Open Portfolio Brief, Customer Deployment, Bug Product Fit Review, how senior teams evaluate their stack. You're a dipshit, dude. It takes me 10x longer to type a reply than it takes you to say one, and here's a significant delay on stream. But then again, I did say, I'm not a web dev. And I did say that I'm gonna give my honest opinion. So if you don't want honest opinion, listen, let me check out Rand Guys stuff, right? Let me check out Rand Guys stuff. New York Cities. I know it's gonna be fucking people. Welcome to my webpage. Banger, bitch. Banger. Fucking banger. Listen, this is holy shit. How fast does this fucking load? Hold up. You might be fucking hold up, Rex. You might be fucking cooking 271 fucking kilobytes. Holy shit. Everything else. Holy shit, fam. The only thing that's like you can't catch me in the middle of a typing reply without something else you said, then call it a gotcha if I can respond in time. Okay, I'm giving you the best time available. I'm not gonna say anything. Just tell me explain to me what this line fragmentation signals. The fuck is fragmented? Okay. My mouth is totally shut, right? Tell me what this means. Are you still here? Are you still here? I think fam left. I don't know why people wanna get like this decisions if they can't handle the heat. I don't know why people do that. Things back to 480. The twins were CX. Seems nice. Damn. Peak shit. Peak stuff. The Rand guy. 10 out of fucking 10 design. This is 0 out of 10. Listen, if any of those corpos, if any one of you corpos is watching my stream, sees the stream, or watch the VODs, or the clip that I'm gonna put out, don't use these AI fucking sloths. Be better. Hire fucking real programmers that work their asses off. I'm not talking about people like me. I'm talking about people that are fucking talented than me. I'm not talented at web dev and doing that type of shit. Hire talented people. Hire people that actually work for their own motherfucking shit. Have people that have put blood, sweat, and tears into their fucking products and into their fucking services. I don't care if you're a corporation. I don't care if you're a normal person that's just looking for services. Be better. Anyways, I got free content though. Holy shit! I'm gonna put I can actually put a whole fucking video. Not even a normal clip. Not even a YouTube Shorts. This is gonna go to the main video channel videos. the rank guy, your website is also gonna get to the main channel videos as the greatest website that I've ever fucking seen. The This is 100% going to be a video. This is 100% going to be a video. Bro probably was like, I'm unsubscribing. I'm sad. I don't want to deal with it. You know what? Let's actually do this stuff on the desktop because don't care about Clanker Slop. I just want baby, baby. One new medicine. So cool. I swear yeah, they got roasted. This is Cozy Q-Tech and this is Polly. Is this still on the server? Okay, I need to use some of it. Polly. Okay, I think they probably left. That's good. Don't have to deal with them then. Don't have to deal with kicking their fucking asses. They got roasted like hell though. Listen, this is the thing. If you don't wanna get your ass roasted, don't ask for public opinions in the motherfucking public. I don't know you. You're not my friend, right? I don't know you. You're not my friend. You're not. I don't owe shit. So I'm just gonna give my honest fucking opinion. And if people are not happy with that, then you can suck my motherfucking dick. You can suck my motherfucking dick. I don't care. Get the fuck out of the stream. We do human-made slop here. We don't do those clanker slop. If we can, we fucking avoid clanker slop. We try to avoid clanker slop. I could literally go to Gemini, ask, hey Gemini, how do I do GraphQL shit? But no, I should be better than that. Anyways, AI bro wanted. No shit, I'm still fun. This is still so funny. Okay, GraphQL. Do wonder. Okay, Sourceut does have. Hold up. Okay, Sean, right? Sean 2 browser. Sources mailing list. Tickets. Yeah, builds. Get. Oh, it should be sources. It should be sources. Hold up. Part Chawan. Yeah. Refs. Oh, RCs, RSS, food. XML. Hold up. Copy link. I can't parse XML. I think X is equal to curl this motherfucker printf. Okay, let's just do bat and let's just do X. Okay, RC version 2, blah blah. I think yeah, I can parse XML. I would rather parse XML. I would rather 100% parse XML. This is doable. I don't need to do good stuff. This is 100% doable. This is 100% doable. So, oh my God, bro, like, oh no, I don't like XML. I would just rather deal with XML rather than fucking around with GraphQL. That's just me. Anyways, bad. Let's do head then one. Well, that's a fucking no fucking XML, isn't it? Oh, I'm fucking I'm fucking stupid. Fucking stupid. I'm fucking stupid. I'm fucking stupid. Yes. No. Just need to grab the title. And yeah, I'm done. Just the grab set this part. Yeah, just you set on this part. This grab. Okay, set and E as this. Do this. Put it in a character shit. Character what's it called? Character class? I forgot. Anyways, put this in here. Put this in here so it negates. Put a plus. Put a this slash. This is gonna /1 is gonna get this one. Gonna print that bad boy out. Unknown option? The fuck you mean unknown option? The fuck you mean unknown option? The fuck you mean unknown option to us? Chart 26. The fuck you mean by that? That little cloud? Huh? Oh! I'm fucking stupid. I'm fucking stupid. It's because of this. Yes. Now, title, I can just do this, and do this. And we're done. Easy parsing, baby. Easy motherfucking parsing. Now. Correct. Okay. So, moment of truth, right? This, if you pipe this, then this, and just do this, and paste this, we're gonna get, oh, head, yeah, head. Yeah, I wish I got some head. Anyways, head and one. Trail riding body. The fuck do you mean, you bitch? Yep, got it. Trail's tail. Okay, I'm not doing fringe or I've been the tail, but good parsing. Yeah, this is how you. This is how you deal with your inner fucking demons. We just do random shit like this. Let's do Gentoo hit list. Do I have the hit list? Hit list? I got the hit list. Git pull on the main. Baby, I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Let's do CP, check codebar files to check source head files. And then check source head files is open token. Don't need token for that. Yeah, I don't need tokens. Don't need tokens for RSS. Scripter. I'm gonna keep scripter echo package link blah 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 blah. Gotta keep that. Gotta keep that. This is the stuff that we'll do, right? So, no. Blah blah. This is this. This should be source hut. Root there. Get latest version. Except, don't need the latest version. Not gonna do that. We're just gonna, instead of being like this, Yeah, don't need latest version. I don't think I even fucking need this. Right, evil version. And echo remote. We do that. Fucking never in my life that I see a day when I'm gonna play with my name, but okay, I'm going back in, going back. Source or files. What's the fuck shit again? Is it the DVD relative to this? File script there. Oh, it checks the home coding get Gentoo blue. Yeah, that's good enough. Absolute cinema. Absolute motherfucking cinema. 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 It works. Works. I mean, it works as in it gets the remote, so I can just then evil version, latest version. Okay, if evil version, fuck off. If evil version, I'm gonna back that real quick. Huh. Okay, if evil version, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, latest version, right? Latest version should be so this. It should be this. Paste it in here. Curl. Uh, it should be in quotations. Why you are singing stream, but fucking yeah, I love to sing. I just love to sing. I just love to do that, I guess. Anyways. Mm. Let's do check Goldberg. Yeah. Okay, curl silence. That should be the URL. That's good. Okay, curl, let's do silent. Let's paste silent. Yeah, that's better. Well, be careful before copyright strikes, since YouTube is that strict. Yeah, I have encountered copyright strikes. I do have an active violation at the moment. We roll. Listen, we fucking roll. This is the version check, and this is the policy and maintainer stuff. It should be this, and instead of Coldberg, it should be yeah. Okay, let's check everything that I have in Coldberg. Coldberg token. Don't need this, right? And this is Coldberg raw data CSV. And this should be source hut raw data CSV. Source hut raw data CSV. Okay, now source hut refs. Okay, get is okay, this one. So we want to delete this, do this remote, and then instead of tags, it's called refs. Got it? Got it. Source hut stuff. Got it. Now, a moment of truth, right? We just run this and pray and hope and pray and hope again that everything works, right? Check source hut files. Good. Now, I'm fucking stupid to do it properly. Am I echoing anything? I shouldn't echo anything, right? Yeah, I shouldn't echo anything. Let's do guru and let's do a git pull. Because I want it to be fresh. And let's run this bad boy. I truly hope that this hasn't been run in a while. This hasn't been run. Okay, last was 19 hours ago. That's fine. But what are the changes? Codebook raw data. You got it. Why did we? Huh? Is do it code? I don't have code. What can I accidentally probably run it something? I don't know. Anyway, source hut. Yes, back this one. CSV. Zan this one. I don't have. Uh, Util the version check, I guess, and then the version check. Yes. Let's just do folder folder left. Oh, I can just yeah. Check Goldberg. So CLG source hut, and then just do this. Yeah. Then I can just hold up and then the version check. Let's do this too. The fuck ass bitch. Hunt shit. Oh, dry. I could have just run dry. I'm fucking stupid. Load up on guns and bring me your friend. These fun to rules and to pretend. Silver poor and self-assured. Oh no, I know a dirty word. Yes, fucking data. Yeah, just don't need all of this, right? I'm gonna, I'm gonna, I'm gonna, I'm gonna do this too. Yeah. Yeah, version check. I think it should properly update the readme. Yo, I think it did. That's nice. It's actually pretty damn nice. Anyways, we don't need all of no. We do need all of this. I'm just like uh commenting all stuff and that's all. Like for the current run, I'm just commenting on stuff. Yes, and this is the only thing that's changed. And yeah, that's good. Any regrets going to Linux until now? Not really. Uh, I would say that going to Linux has changed my life a lot, and I'm grateful. Wait, hold up. Feed. Okay. Feed. Oh, hold up. Not this feed. README actually the update the README and homework is done. Source size is done. Main currently uses XML. PS or web currently uses RSS feed. PS are welcome. Feed. Okay, no, I'm not spamming that. Thank you for not spamming that. You have done me a great service by not spamming that. Anyways, feed upstream at at source hut mirror support. Looks good. Don't want that. Git push. Whoosh. Git push. and wish and source hut is here now. Now let's I do wonder. Let's check the get def, right? Let's set the def because I do want to get the def. Oh, hold on. I can just check the source of stuff, like what's like GitHub raw data, codebook raw data. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Yeah, so app text comical, evil version, source tag linked. Shit. Well, I need to fucking resize this bitch then. Don't wanna live as an untold story. Rather go out and play the glory. I continue. I don't fear you. Ba 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 ba. Ba da 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 ba ba ba. I continue. I won't fear you now. Huh. Homiku is like 50 and this is like 1. That's pretty different. OET, this is alpha, this is GM capsule. That's 17 now. Let me check. For Gijo, 15, and this is 16. Probably on that. I'm free. Get pages, need to check that and not do latest. Yeah, I need to do that. That's 3.4, that's 3.5, we need a draft. Looks good. Yeah, looks good. What about my package store? Because I'm interested in that. Doesn't like doesn't have a fucking update or something? Git log. Git log this. Yeah, this is the stuff that I did. So do I need to zoom or something? Do I need to scroll or something? Looks. Oh, why the fuck is it not in here? Doesn't make any fucking sense. God fucking damn it. Did all that. Yeah, at least I have implemented the stuff now, so that's great. I do wonder what's the what's the limit, but then again, there's probably not gonna be that much. I was wondering what would be the limit of, connections to the RSS stuff. Then again, now that I think about it, it's not gonna be like read or something. It's probably gonna be okay. And then also like there's not a lot of packages that are in the chat. So yeah, ooh, dev branch. Do wanna kind of sleep though. Feeling a bit tired. Extremely fucking tired, if I'm gonna be honest. God, I miss her. Hold up, chat. Let me close my camera for a little bit. Let's hold up. It's kind of fine. Let's check my metrics real quick. Just check stuff. What the fuck is Matrix not loading? Why is active? Stop. Did I not fucking start my goddamn fucking... Hold up chat, hold up chat, hold up chat. Did I not fucking start that up? Or fuck ass, fuck ass, fuck ass. Green general. Anyways, I should guru... No, not guru. Yeah, this one. Uh, oh, I don't think I have started up yet. Shit, shit. If my girl probably messaged me on stream, then fuck. Shit, 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 shit. Almost fucked. Okay, now it should be connected. And now it should be. Just ignore this for now. I'm just checking my matrix stuff. Yes, I think she is still asleep. Yeah, that's good. Anyways, what did Lens say? New young scrolls drop. Yo, peak. Lens also knows. I see your crusty ass screen from a second perspective. Oh, you think that's crusty ass? This is how crusty ass the screen is. This is how crusty ass the fucking screen is. It fucking sucks. It fucking sucks ass. It fucking sucks balls. It absolutely fucking sucks. I absolutely hate it. Ah, it's the goddamn I'm fucking blind. I know fucking blinded. No, go to downloads. Go to white. No, fuck off. Go to white. Zoom that motherfucker in. Check your brightness. Do a full brightness. Now I'm good. Now I'm good. Baby, I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance. Baby, baby. White, green, green, please. No. You want green. You want like green me? I, hmm. I, hmm. I could try because now to think about it, yeah, I could easily change the light because since it's just a wallpaper, right? Okay, what do you want? I could go with light green, you know? Let's go with image magic. Okay, magic size XC. Let's go with green. Let's do green.png and do ADB push. Let's do green.png. One file pushed. Let's go to my files. Internal storage. Green. It's probably not gonna be that good, but let's see in OBS. Yeah, this is just it looks bad. It looks like really really bad. I could go with a different hue. Yeah, I could go with a different hue, but yeah, it looks bad. Fucking blinded ass fucking bitch. Eh, fucking hate it every time. But yeah, that's what I need to do because it's the middle of the fucking night. For me at least. So yeah, I'm gonna get my eyes fucking burned. Don't wanna live as an untold story. Yeah, I'm fucking flashbanging myself for fucking content. So you folks, people can fucking see my face and facial expressions. Anyways, I'm gonna have some bang of fucking content though. Let's check chat one. Let's check the refs. Let's go to Google. Let's go to chat one. right? This was the 1 day ago, 0.414. What Android phone do you use? Yeah, it's gonna be a banger. The thing is, yeah, it's not a banger. It fucking sucks. I'm currently being forced to use Xiaomi, and this is like my first phone ever, right? I don't usually use. I fucking hate smartphones. I absolutely fucking hate it. However, since I need to do some IRL stuff now, as I've said on stream, meeting people and all that. Yeah, I sadly I need to use a phone nowadays, but I absolutely hate it. It's Xiaomi, it's spyware. I can literally see like every fucking connect that goes to Google servers, uh, Taiwan, China, mainland China, and also India. It fucking sucks. It absolutely fucking sucks. God, use a custom ROM. Can't. It's a Unisoc chip. I can't even unlock the bootloader properly. I need to fucking wait for 30 fucking days and go through official fucking route. There was another way, but I'm too damn stupid to like. There's an exploit that I know, but I'm that like using those exploits and those CVs. That's like out of my experience. Out of my experience. So yeah, like way, way, way above my expertise. Yeah, since you're using MediaTek, I'm fucking using Unisoc. I'm fucking cooked. my luck is cooked. The thing is, I didn't get the phone, right? It was a gift. It was a gift since that people don't know about that much about. Like if I had money, if I had the same amount of money, I would rather buy a secondhand Motorola or a secondhand nothing or CMF phone. Yeah, kind of like that. But yeah. Anyways, let's see new stuff. I mean, this. Tech savvy people are declining anyway soon because yes. Yeah, it sucks. I'm happy, bro. Oh God. I am happy that I met the person that I met. Anyways. Yo, Posey Quest CC, what's good? What's good? What's good? We fucking roasted that motherfucker on stream that came in with the ass lock and was like, why are you being so mean to me? Because you wanted a review, public review. What do you want me to do? You're not paying me shit. You're not paying me shit. If it was a sponsor, I would say so much great stuff to you. You're not sponsoring me. So yeah. If I'm not gonna get paid shit, I'm not gonna try to like, get to say stupid stuff that's not true. Anyways. It's a package dev manifest, I think. Yeah. Don't wanna live as a never told story. I'd rather go out in a blaze of glory. I can't hear you. I don't feel you. Morning. So you say you would build like a sponsor if you had one? Depends on the money. Depends on the money, to be honest. Because I'm like really short on, extremely short on cash. And yeah, depends on the money. No, 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 not get pushed, not get pushed. Fuck off, not get pushed. And yeah, some people might find that yeah, I'm not living up to my name and this and that, blah blah. But then again, Okay, turn out calm. Takes a fuck ton of load for some fucking reason. Anyways, $11 per month. $11 per month. I can't withdraw every month. I need to withdraw every fucking like 5 months, right? Or 2 months now. But yeah. On top of that, this is like the only source of like any fucking money that I get. So yeah. Package dev. Sign off. And yeah, let's just hold it. What's this needed by anything? 3594 and 491B. 491B, 3594. Yeah, looks good to me. Don't wanna live as an untold story. Rather go than a place of glory. Out until you. I want you. Manifest. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Thought of work was getting my screen crawling. I want you. I won't feel you now. Lost in your regret. What a taste of blood and sweat. Whoa. I wanna feel love and pain. I wanna feel love. Wait, dumbass, wait, what a dumbass gimmick whenever we're saying we must say the song name after. I wanna feel pride and shame. I don't wanna waste my time. Let's do compile. You don't wanna waste my life. Fucking sucks. I wanna get better than this. Never look back and say, it's been me. It could have been me. I wanna feel love and pain. Yeah, Pat is working from this. We can ignore that. 4.3. Lord, fuck this thing. Lost every falling. I can't see you. I won't fear you now. Lost in your regret. Delta. This. That. God, I'm fucking tired. To the evil. Cabal. Test. No. Clean. Compile. When will you do a reaction stream? Just a nice idea. I probably would someday. I won't probably do a full, like the whole stream is gonna be just reactions. I have reacted to stuff like you know, in the middle of doing stuff. So yeah, probably just when I'm like free and shit. God, I miss my girl. I miss her. Anyways. Mm, I feel bad. I feel sad. God damn, I'm in love. Anyways, yes, I don't care. Okay, I'm missing my girl. I'm tired. I'm feeling sad. It sucks. It absolutely sucks. And I'm in like fucking love with her. Like crazy love with her. I'm like, yeah, she's like fuck dude. She's like absolutely fucking. It sucks to Linux, but it's good anyway. No, she also uses Linux. She's also a Linux user, by the way. It's fucking peak. It's absolutely fucking peak. Yeah, I scored. I'm still surprised that I was able to score like that. It was like dumb fucking luck, I would say. Absolutely dumb fucking luck. We have so much in fucking common. And yeah, I'm a lucky fucking guy. I never thought I would never think stuff like this would happen to me. But yeah, it's the year of the lens desktop, I guess. Anyways, I'm gonna start burning my teeth off if I'm like if I don't focus on stream and focus on her instead. But yeah, got it. Hey, let's just talking about her got my ass fucking burning. Install. Let's run the install phase and see if everything is working. Yeah, everything is working. Ah, and let's do a merge. We should be able to do that. Fix division by zero on table, specifying row span zero, fix ring component calculation, blah blah blah. Broken radio button, CSS style, close menu, regression, blah blah. Cha. Let's do that manual. Yo, everything works. Nice. Package dev commit outside to sign off. At this packet check scan and commits. I just want dance, I just want dance, baby. Ba 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 ba. The morning elemental story. I could go out in a place of glory. I want to you. God, I miss. Hold on a sec. Ba-da-bum. Almost feeling. But this is love. I know it is. I know it's a super cliche. Ba-bum. This is for me. Ba-ba feels like. Breaking news. Random Linux user is missing his Linux user. Two girlfriend are singing and crying about fucking libraries he has to use. True, 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 true. Anyways. Ah, like, just talking about her got my ass smiling. Holy shit! I need to log the fucking chat. I need to log the fucking poker face, poker face, poker face, full poker face, mm. Full poker face. Anyways, why do you fear? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Anyways, I'm not over. Fuck off. It's my stream. Fuck off. It's my stream. You know what? I'm actually gonna screenshot this. I'm actually gonna screenshot this. Fuck. Okay, hold up. Yeah, I got it properly. Okay, let's crop that. Let's screenshot of him. I don't care. I must send it to her. Hold up. Let me go in private mode. Okay, let me go in private mode. Let me open Element. Just wait for 2 minutes, chat. Just wait for 2 minutes, chat. You'll be fine. Just wait for 2 minutes. Send to her, and I'll be back. Okay, I'll be back. Um. Anyways, hold up. Okay, I'm back. I am back. Anyways, that's put the stuff and man, I got screenshotted. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. Listen, it's not the screenshot of saying it or anything. It's like I'm like, yeah, my chatters are kind of trolling me because I said I missed my. Baby, baby, I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Baby, 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 baby. Walter, Walter, what the fuck are you saying, bro? Anyways, what else can we do? What else can we do? I could learn a bit of Rust. I should learn a bit of Rust. Yeah, let's actually learn a bit of Rust. Hold up, let me go to private mode for 2 seconds. I need to. I'm here. I'm just gonna hold up. Where the fuck is the stuff that I'm looking for? Okay, I'm mute my mic. Okay, let's mute my mic first. Let's yeah, hold up. Let's mute my mic for a few seconds, and I'll be back in just a few seconds. Hold up. Where the fuck is the mute button? Okay, my ass is back. I'm back, baby. No. Uh, let's go there. Rest fucking programming language. Provo. That's root control of the, I think. Oh, yeah, ownership. I think we were stationed with loops. Oh, what do you do? I'm crying because I forgot what was I again? What was I on? Rust 4. We were resting on the insides. True. Okay, 2, 4, 2. Reference is boring. Okay. The issue with the tuple. Oh, yeah. I think I read about the stack and the heap. If I remember correctly, the string stuff. Yeah. Memory allocation. String from. Yeah, I think. Shit. I forgot a lot of stuff, but yeah. I can get back into it again. Hopefully I can get back into it again. Anyways, this is not valid here. The string type. In a data type that's more complex that we covered in data types in session chapter 3, the types covered in previous unknown size can be stored at the stack. Top of the stack when their scope is over and can quickly be and trivially copied to make new independent instance of another pod. If another pod of code needs to use the same value in additional scope, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. We'll concentrate the parts of string that can relate to ownership. These aspects also apply to complex data types, whether they are provided by the assigned library or created by you. We'll discuss ownership, blah blah. Component stuff, memory allocation. I think I read that stuff. But these stuff, variables and most stuff. Yeah, I do remember that. Scope and assignment. And I think it was drop to automatically drop stuff. And yeah. When it's not needed anymore. So yeah, I think that's good. Oh look. To be honest, I don't know if I want to stream more. It's like 5:16, right? I woke up at around 12 a.m., 12:30 a.m. And then went on a date and shit, and then I'm like, yeah, I was also sleep deprived a bit. So I'm really probably not in that streamer mode, like stream and shit. Not in that mood. Mm. Should I stream more? Should I stream for a bit more hours? Let's fucking fuck it. Let's stream for like 30 fucking hours more. Well, not 30 fucking hours, sorry. Like 30 minutes ish should be enough. More another 30 minutes. Make a poll, then I'm too tired to make a poll. Well, this first take ownership and return ownership with and I think the only viewer I have is currently the only chat that I have is you. So yeah, extra 30 hour stream, imagine. Mm, I could do a 30 hour stream. Well, this first taking ownership and then returning ownership with every function is a bit tedious, but if we want to let a function use a value but not take ownership, it's quite annoying that anything we pass also needs to be passed back if we want to use it again, in addition to any data resulting from the body to the function that we might want to return as well. Which does not let us return multiple values using a tuple that's shown in listing 4.5. God, I should sleep. I should actually sleep. I was just staring at shit. I should actually sleep. I'm probably gonna sleep like after 30 minutes, after 30 or like around 6 a.m. But still, I'm probably, yeah, I think yeah, gonna quit the stream now. And yeah, maybe just lay down and read the Rust docs for a bit and then I'll just drift off to sleep. Anyways, take care and bye. I'll see you folks later.